Introducing FlowSmart Touch, the smartest and most efficient beverage dispensing technology direct to your point of sale. Made in Australia, FlowSmart's award-winning hands-free design has been engineered with precision to accommodate all non-carbonated and pulp-free beverages. With FlowSense technology, you can now automatically dispense up to 4 types of beverages to your exact requirements at the touch of a button, whilst monitoring your input costs. By installing FlowSmart's environmentally friendly storage options and range of chilled beverage lines, your business can seamlessly reduce waste and become more sustainable, free critical bench space, and eradicate any cross-contamination. Our effortless, semi-automatic cleaning cycle keeps your business safety certified and takes the chore out of ongoing maintenance. Simplifying your beverage dispensing process with our state-of-the-art technology means that you will seize palpable time savings, reduce costs, and mitigate waste, so you can focus on what's really important.